Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to share with you this Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. This Tiguan is powered by a 1.5 TSI 150PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in a lovely pearlescent deep black with R-Line body styling and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the extremely stylish 20-inch Misano black diamond turned alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and automated activation. Coming into the boot, you can see the Tiguan offers generous and deep space for various items, folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. Into your rear seating, you'll see the interior has the lovely Vienna Leather upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find vent controls and USB ports. Coming into the cabin, and you'll find the R-Line branded front sport seats with electronic adjustment that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as cup holders and plenty of storage inside the adjustable armrest. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include vehicle status, drive data, assist systems, navigation, audio and telephone. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also various other ways to play media, such as Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use. Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can check the status of your vehicle and any settings available. Assistant will activate the car's built-in IQ Drive safety features. Sound allows you to customise your speaker's equaliser settings and position of audio output. Below the display you'll find the car's 3-zone climate control system with heated seat capabilities. A range of drive modes are also available for the car. The Tiguan is also equipped with front and rear parking sensors, allowing you to park up with ease. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button and reading lights. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.